How to create new folders for multiple employee names in one go, Excel no-code method. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple folders at once using just Excel. If you've ever had to create folders manually for each employee, you know how time-consuming it can be. But with this method, you can do it in just a few clicks. No coding or programming needed. Make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more productivity and automation tips like this. Step 1. Create your employee list in Excel. First, open a new Excel file. In column A, enter the names of all employees. One name per row. Here's an example list: employee names. You can add as many names as you want. Step 2. Create folder commands in Excel. In column B, next to each name, we'll generate a folder command. Click on cell B1 and enter this formula. Equal sign, double quotes, mkdir space, double quotes, ampersand, or 1. So it looks like this. This formula tells Excel to add the word mkdir before each name. Mkdir stands for make directory, which is how folders are created using the command line. Now, drag the formula down for all names in the list. You'll see something like this in column B. Each line is now a folder creation command. Step 3. Save as a batch file. Now, select all the cells in column B. Right-click and choose Copy. Then, open Notepad. Paste the copied lines into Notepad. Next, click File, then Save As. In the file name box, type create_folders.bat. In the Save As type drop-down, select all files. Click Save. Make sure to save this file in the location where you want the folders to be created. For example, you can save it on your desktop. Step 4. Run the file. Now go to the place where you saved the file. Double-click on the file named create_folders.bat. The command prompt window will flash briefly. That's a good sign. It means the commands ran successfully. Go back to the same folder, and you'll see all the folders created. Each folder will be named after the employee. Bonus tip: change folder location. If you want the folders to be created in a specific folder, like employees, you can edit the formula in Excel. And that's it. Now you know how to create dozens or even hundreds of folders at once using just Excel and Notepad. No programming needed. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart work tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.